Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get motion blur in Valorant, so let's get started. So for the first step, before recording your gameplay, open your recorder and head to its settings. From there, go to the output section and change the video format to MP4. Once done, make sure to select NVIDIA as your encoder. Moreover, choose CQP as your rate control and set 20 as the value of the CQ level. Now for the next step, on the same window, select your present as max performance and profile as high. Now go to the video tab and select the value of base resolution and output resolution as 1920 x 1080. Now choose the numerator as 300 and the denominator as 1. After that, make sure that the minimum value of the numerator should not less than 180. For the next step, head to the Advanced tab and select Process Priority as below normal. Now head to the Recording section below and select the file name formatting according to your need. You can also adjust the settings of the stream, display and automatically reconnect. Preferably, once done with all the recorder settings, click on the OK button. And that's it. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.